all of us know about this brand Kit Kat, and when we travel to Japan, we will always buy some Kit Kat bag for our friends, colleagues, souvenirs for our families. So we have bought some varieties, and to determine which packaging is actually the nicest and in terms of taste is the better one, that you guys can actually buy back from Japan and give it all to your friends. Yay! These are the flavors that I have. The first one, Shinshu Apple. By the way, they are arranged by expiry date, so remember to eat them once you buy them back. And the second one is also one of my favorite, half because I don't like strawberry, but I like Azuki. So it's red bean strawberry, and it says it is Hokkaido's bean, 北海道小豆. But nonetheless, I'm looking quite forward to this. And this is rum raisin Kit Kat. I'm not a fan of rum raisin, but Eileen is someone that is a fan of it. We'll see how it tastes like. And this, you look at the picture, this is so yummy. Okay, you look at the sandwich, it's like toasted French toast with Kit Kat and chocolate. How can it go wrong, right? And this is also Azuki sandwich, and my GoPro is shaking.
Oh, sorry, I think I'm kicking it.
Yeah. And the last one, cheesecake. So this is the cheesecake Kit Kat, strawberry cheesecake flavor. Okay. And the other last two is super exclusive. Okay. We bought this back. And this is actually the more expensive Kit Kat as compared to the rest. They are over here. So the first one we have, I think this is Meiju plum sake Kit Kat version, and this is just normal sake Kit Kat. So as you can see, there are actually a few sake Kit Kat over here. So I'm going to go for the non-alcohol Kit Kat first before I try to taste the sake Kit Kat. Okay, let's open up. So it says there is a opening, and instead of open, it says have a break, have a Kit Kat. How Kit Kat is this? Chan! This is how nice it looks. Actually, I like that visually it's red color because it's trying to represent the apple. So if you're buying this for someone, I think this is actually very, very pretty in terms of the packaging, the boxes, and look at how well they are actually being packed. You know, the whole wrapper is also in red, and there's a very nice Apple logo to it. It looks really nice. But for the taste, here goes. One for you, one for me. Take another one here. The same thing, the Kit Kat is still very small as compared to our normal usual one in Singapore. So the Kit Kat is not red, so it is more of a very classic original color of Kit Kat. Oh.
It's an apple smell.
Hey, there's an apple smell, yeah. Hey, there's quite a strong apple smell. Oh. Hey, it looks... Okay, let me try first. It doesn't give the apple sweetness, but it does give off the fragrance of the apple. Actually, it tastes very nice overall. 很香
Reminds me of your 甜甜香香.
Yeah. Hey, this is nice. I'm not kidding. This is something that I will buy. I'll definitely buy and give it to my friends, my relatives, or my colleagues and stuff. Okay, so in one box, right, there are actually 12 of these. And if you take 12 times 24 sticks, because you know one packet got 2 sticks ma, so you times 2 lor. So 12 times 2 will be 24 in one box. If you are sharing hey, actually if for guys if you are giving it to a girl that you like, right, I think this one is actually quite nice. I think any girl will actually quite like this. So this is Shinshu Apple. We'll go to the next one. This is Azuki Strawberry. Okay, this one got some color contrasting. Here is pink color with red. The packaging is also very nice inside. I'll try this first. It's pink color also.
Sure.
Oh. Actually, the whole thing is pink color. I'm expecting it to be black also. Chocolate taste. Or it's not azuki color. The taste very familiar. It tastes like Hello Panda, the strawberry flavor. I'm not kidding you, but of course, not exactly the same. So I think in the center, right, there should be some azuki inside. Oh, don't have. It's plain one. But got a little bit of azuki smell. But if you ask me, right, the first thing that comes to my mind is the Hello Panda strawberry flavor. So it's very normal. Right, but just now I was saying, right, the Shinshu apple is actually something good if you guys want to give it to, you know, a girl of your dream, right? Actually, I think this one will be more a better idea because it's pink color inside. Then some of the Kit Kat is pink color also. And it also tastes good. To be honest, it also tastes good. I'm just judging based on azuki and strawberry. But it also tastes very nice, serious. Oh, the third one. Okay, wow, this one I really look forward to it. This is azuki. Look at the bread. Wow, I can't resist this. I think this one to give to families, colleagues, friends, all these are still quite okay. Oh, this one is also black color. Oh. It's just a very strong chocolate smell. The azuki taste for this is stronger, a lot stronger. The azuki bean, right? Okay, anyway, azuki bean is also red bean in our sense. It's widely used in Japan also for dessert, for taiyaki. A lot of things have been used for azuki bean. It is really nice. I will really buy this and consume myself. Well, if you are looking for strawberry, right, you can go for this. This one got a more stronger strawberry taste. But if you want something like azuki, right, this will be a lot better. This is super nice. Okay, this one I think I will finish it very soon. This is strawberry cheesecake. Actually, the internal also very nice. It's a very white chocolate taste.
Do you still remember the normal packaging? We also have a strawberry cheesecake.
Oh yeah, the polar bear one, right? But if I recall the taste, right, it don't really much differ.
But I think this one, the cheese smell is quite strong.
The cheese smell for this is actually stronger. That's the rum one. Okay. Okay, I really wonders. Okay, I am not a fan of alcohol food. I mean, I love alcohol, but I'm not a fan of alcohol food. I really want to see how Kit Kat can surprise me this time. Hey, the color very nice. It's like turquoise like that. Hey, very cool. You know, at the back, right, they actually let you pen down something. So if you're giving it to someone, you can actually write down something, then, you know, a message for a friend, your family, or whichever it is. Very conflicting. I don't know. Okay, to me, right, alcohol food should be alcohol, but it's sweet with a hint of rum. How do you feel? I know this is just me, but how do you feel? Do you like it?
The first taste you don't really taste the rum, but as you bite along, you will feel the rum taste running in your mouth. So
there are actually layers of flavor lah.
I actually quite like it.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just that I don't like rum in the first place. It's actually not bad. And it doesn't give you the very, you know, the straight way you put into your mouth. It's like, wow, alcohol food is so strong. And it's not, you don't really taste the alcohol at all, like, you know, the alcohol content itself. Even for people who don't take alcohol, right, this is okay. Definitely 100% okay. They may even like this.
I think this is nice.
This is nice, right?
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. Rum raisin. Oh. Okay, next. Sake. Okay, sake is one of my favorite. This one can't run already. Woohoo. Okay, this one is 国产. Very special. Are you ready? Okay, I think the packaging here is very nice. It's very pastel pink. I think this is really nice also. So if the girl of your dream, right, is someone that take alcohol, I think this one would be perfect. Nah, this one I know you want one. Oh, white chocolate as well. I don't like the smell. You know why? It smells a bit like there's something expired. Wait, or is it mine expired? No leh, haven't yet. Haven't expired yet. Okay, I take a bite first. Okay, I can tell you straight away, the two of us doesn't like it. It tastes very weird. Okay, don't waste food. I'm not wasting this. I'm just going to consume it. But okay, to me, right, it feels a bit of something expired. I'm sorry to say that, but it's just my taste. But it doesn't go. Well. It doesn't go well, right? The whole packaging is very nice, but the taste just doesn't go together.
I don't taste the sake at all.
Yeah, you have been frowning throughout the whole thing.
Just tastes like white chocolate and with a weird.
Okay, I'm putting this aside. And the last two, I'm going to try these two in one go. Okay, so these are also sake. Wow, I really hope that this one is not like the Sakura sake one, the white in color. But this one, I'm going to try the original first, which is the red color one, then followed by the green one. The packaging is actually very nice, very sweet also. Because it's like a small bottle of alcohol inside, and it's quite exquisite if you were to see this. Then for the Kit Kat, it's actually wrapped up in this way instead of the traditional boxes. So I just open this. Oh, it's white in color also. So apparently, I think all the sake one or all the alcohol one are all white in color. I'll take a bite. Nice one. This one got the sake smell. Wow, this is a lot better. I also want to make sure that mine is not expired also. Okay, yeah, no, haven't yet. Sake taste. You may not like it, but it's sake taste. It got a strong flavor of the sake taste, but you don't taste the alcohol inside. I think this is way nicer. It blends well together. It's the same as that time we were in Hiroshima trying out the sake also.
Yeah.
The same taste. Nihonshu.
You don't get the alcohol
Kick.
yeah. But you taste the sake.
So right, if you are having some alcohol or some sake with your friends or family, then you want to try this out, right? This one can be provided as a snack. It goes really perfect. I can totally visualize it. This is really good. I'm going to keep this. But I think in Singapore we have this, right?
I saw it in FairPrice.
Yeah, in FairPrice we actually do have this. This is really nice. The taste is actually very, very close to the actual sake thing. It is good. And plum. And plum is, plum sake is something that will bring the sake flavor out by a few notch. Green color. You want one?
Okay.
Now it's nice already, then she will take one. If not, she want to share with me. 不好吃就不要了，是不是？
Don't waste calorie.
What waste calorie? Hey, this smells really nice lah. Wow.
Calorie.
Oh wow, hey, this one legit. I like this.
Yeah. Really.
Okay, why do I say that? Because the smell actually gives us the hint of the plum, and at the same time, right, the sake taste is also inside. It's exactly the same smell that I have for my plum sake.
It's a bit sour because there's plum inside, but it really gives all a different flavor of the Kit Kat. White chocolate, plum, and sake.
Mine is actually different.
Why?
I don't find it sour. And you and I have sake, plum sake before. So this is nowhere near the plum sake. And the sake taste seems to be a little bit overpowered by the plum taste also. Not really the plum taste, but I would prefer the classic one. I mean, overall it's still nice, don't get me wrong. The taste is still very exquisite. You don't feel like, you know, the moment you eat it, it's like, but it's still really good. Finally of the judgment time. Which one will I actually recommend to ask you to buy back from Japan? Okay, I know that these two you can actually get from Singapore also, but be in terms of all these type of flavors are the ones that you can only find in Japan. Actually, they are relatively quite easy to find in Japan as well, such as like, you know, Don Quijote. You can just find them. Don Quijote is the big penguin, which is in Singapore is called Donkey. So, for me personally, right, I really love the taste of this. Okay, in terms of the outlook that I will give it to my friend, yes, I will give it to my friend, I'll give it to my family, I'll give it to my relatives as well. In terms of the packaging, I will buy the Shinshu apple together. So if I give, right, there will be some contrast to it. So minimally, if you want to buy some KitKat, right, I will recommend these two. The color contrast is actually quite good. It's red in color, the other one is the light one, and both taste great as well. Then for the alcohol one, the rum and raisin is actually quite good, I have to say, because I've eaten this. So this is definitely out for me. Then these two, right, if let's say you want to buy more, right, I mean you come back to Singapore and buy lah, don't waste your luggage space. I'm still definitely going to get this. This is actually quite nice. Actually, after eating all this, right, I think I find them quite appetizing. So which one will you prefer to actually give or recommend?
Shinshu apple, rum and raisin,
Shinshu apple, rum and raisin,
plum sake.
plum sake.
So I'm the fruity one. Apple, raisin, plum.
Yeah, that's no wonder. That is very typical of your taste. I mean, this is what you actually like: fruits, rum, and plum. So this is Eileen's recommendation, and I think we have something in common lah, which is Shinshu apple. Oops, you see, he's so happy that one of it actually jumped out. So the Shinshu apple is definitely one of the one that we highly recommend. I think the packaging is really good also, because it's red, it's appealing lah. Then when you open up, it's like, oh, red. So these four here are the more highly recommended KitKat that we actually brought from Japan, and we tasted it right here for you, and this is how we are going to get it again. Okay, so ting, these four are the ones that we really like. So throughout the whole Japan trip, I'm sure that you can find them lah, and they are not that bulky also, so you can just buy them and keep them. Just one thing to remember: expiry date is very important. Don't let them go expiry. If not, it doesn't justify their taste at all. Okay, so that's all for today's clip. So if you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.